Example number 9. Here the transaction is given as goods sold to Mahendran for cash rupees 5,000. So in the previous example I said whenever you see any name it is to be treated as credit transaction even if on credit word is not there, right? But here it is slightly different. They say goods are being sold to Mahendran but for cash. The word cash is given, so it becomes a credit transaction. So whenever any name and also cash is given, cash dominates, which means cash will come and name we have to forget. Okay, so now here in this case we have one account as the sales. Since we are selling the goods, we have to treat sales account as the first account and also the cash account as your second. That is two accounts, one is sales and the other one is cash account. Okay, so now let's start analyzing the transaction. Okay, so now cash account, as we all know, it is a real account in nature. Then as per real account, whenever cash comes in we have to debit, which means debit what comes in, credit what goes out. We have to first check now whether we are receiving the cash, or that is whether we are whether the cash comes in or goes out. Okay, when we make sale, automatically when you are selling any product you will receive cash, right? Which means cash is coming into the business, right? So now here cash comes in, so it has to be debited as per the rule. The next one is sales account. So sales account is a nominal account. Since it is sale, that is we are selling goods, so it is sales account. So sales account is a nominal account. So whenever there is nominal, the rule should be debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Here we have sales, which means we will be receiving the income. It gives some income to the business, right? So now whenever we see we receive any income, it is to be credited as per the nominal account rule. So here the entry will be cash account debtor to sales account, and you will write the amount in the debit and the credit column as rupees 5,000. Okay, so here I'll just give you an hint. Okay, so here whenever you see purchase account, okay, goods purchased maybe from Mahesh on credit, always purchase account will be debited only. So you will write purchase account debtor to Mahesh. Okay, likewise whenever you see sales account will always be in the credit side. Since it is since this is where we are receiving income, so automatically it is to be credited. So always purchase account will be debited, sales account will be credited. Okay, then example 10. Borrowed loan from bank rupees 10,000. So here the accounts which this is again cash transaction, because cash is also involved in this. Even though we are borrowing from bank, we call it as either cash or bank transaction. Okay, now here there are two accounts involved again. One is bank account, since it is directly given. The other one is borrowed loan is there, right? So where from where we borrowing loan? It is the bank, because it is given loan from bank. Okay, so the second account will be bank loan. First, as we all know, it is bank account. The second one is bank loan account. So here bank personal account, bank loan is also personal account. So since we have both the accounts as personal account in nature, we need to just see where who is receiving and what is the who is the giver. Okay, now bank account is the receiver. Okay, which means the banker is the giver and also the receiver, but bank receives the amount as bank loan. Okay, which means bank will always be receiver when it comes to the bank loan. So bank will be the receiver. You will debit bank account. The second one is bank loan account. It is again a personal account wherein bank loan is the giver. The banker gives the loan to particular account. So here bank loan is the giver. So we credit that account. So we'll write the entry as bank account debtor to bank loan account. Example 11. Received commission of rupees 5,000 by cash. Okay, received commission. Previously we saw paid salary by check. Okay, now we have received commission of rupees 5,000 by cash. So here the two accounts which are involved are cash and commission received. You have to be specific. It should be written as commission received. Okay, because if nothing is given, okay, in that case we'll treat that as commission paid. So be specific. You have to write this as commission received account. Cash account, as we all know, it is a real account. So applying the rule, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Right here, when the transaction says you are receiving commission by cash, in that case cash is coming into the business, so automatically cash account should be debited. The other one is commission received account. So commission received or paid, whatever it is a nominal account. You have to check whether it is an income or an expense to the business. Since we are receiving commission, we have to treat this as an income. So you credit this account. Okay, that is commission received. Commission received account again is a nominal account. Since we are receiving commission, it is an income to the business, hence it has to be credited. So the entry will be cash account debtor to commission received account. You have to be specific while writing the journal entry. You have to write this as commission received account. Okay, and the amount of rupees 5,000 is to be written in the debit and the credit column.